ALCE stock analysis Friday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Alternus Clean Energy stock. Overall ticker with a volume around 2M today and overall market cap of around 1M. I do see the price melting, although it's 20% up. So what the hell is going on here? Context, I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years and spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. Generally looking at ALCE, how I'm looking to take advantage of this is if there is a proper shift in the market. When I say shift, I mean, this is a good first break. If it pulls down deeper and then gives me breaks, then and only then I'll kind of count that as something bullish. But other than that, really, I'm not a big fan. Like, you have to understand that people are really in a rush, but I'm not going to be here sitting like having that FOMO. Because even if I stay on the sidelines, I understand that I'm going to be ahead of people who are losing. And that's like 70-80% of people. So yeah, want to see a second break and then potentially look for to take things up. But I'm not a big fan of that because I've seen this happen thousands of times. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.